Hey there everyone, I have a 1999 4 Winds 33 SL 34-foot motorhome. It does have the Ford F53 V10 Triton engine. And in the engine compartment here, I do have this relay or battery control center with fuses inside. One thing is I don't have any type of a wiring diagram or manual to show what's in here. However, I do have kind of a relay clicking noise, and I believe it's going to be the relay that is right here in this backside with that white label there, all the way in the back. And I've been able to isolate down to get the clicking to stop from disconnecting this wire harness here. The click comes on, then the click comes off, then the click comes on, then the click comes off. And I do have the chassis batteries disconnected up front. Now I do not have the battery down here disconnected for the engine. And that was going to be my next task here, was to disconnect that to see if it's still clicking, which then tells me obviously my disconnect is broken up in the front. But if I plug this harness back in, you'll hear that this relay will click. So as you can see, it's very odd, and if I keep doing this here, it's definitely something with obviously this harness here that's causing this relay to keep clicking up and behind here. But I just can't figure out what it is, so hopefully that you guys can try to help me out here. All right, so I think I've been able to isolate it. Looks like there's a total of 3 solenoids back here, or wherever these devices are. There's this gray one here, there's this one up here, and then there's this one that matches it. And as you can see, these wires are the ones that come off and they go into this plug. When I do touch this plug onto the board, you can hear the clicking, which I believe is this coach chassis solenoid. You can see here, there it is. Maybe not, there it is. I'll see if I can insert a photo here. So to continue the saga, when I put this cover back on, there's a little switch here, aux start switch. Oh, well, when I was pushing it just a little bit ago, it was making the thing click. Now it's not making it click. I don't know why, but it was making it click. Hang on, let me see if I can disconnect this. If that stops it, or makes it click again, hang on. All right, well, I think that's what that relay is, because it was making this thing click. It's not doing it now, but I promise it was. That's why I pulled the phone out and started taking a video. But this is still disconnected. Let's see if this does anything. Nope. So anyways, this has something to do with it. It's not doing it now, but it has something to do with it.